Good afternoon. One of my client came and he was accused in some matter and he wanted to know that procedure of case, how the case goes on. So I thought I will share this video with all of you so that you can also understand what are the processes required for when the FIR is lodged. Once FIR lodged under section BNSS 173, again, after that, there will be charge sheet will be issued by the police department under BNSS Act Section 193. Once the charge sheet is given, there 60 days time is being given to the police department that they should produce the charge sheet in the concerned court, and the charge sheet contains all the matters and evidence also, and the police information and investigation also. Everything is in the charge sheet is there, and a copy of the charge sheet is should be given to the accused, and accused has right to ask for the charge sheet in the concerned court. After that, there will be charged by the honorable court. The charges will be framed against him, and after that the date will be put for evidence. While giving an evidence, you have to be very careful, and whatever you have mentioned in the complaint, that you have to mention, and original document, preliminary document too, should be enclosed. While giving evidence, there should be cross examination, and after that there is a final argument. In argument, where all the content is required, whatever mentioned in the complaint, charge sheet, evidence, everything has to mention there. And necessary document, if you required, you can always put in the when your advocate do the final argument, that you can always mention and enclose the document also. And after that, there will be judgment by the honorable court. Sometimes the judgment passed within 1 or 2-3 days, and if the honorable judge take a longer time, you can always request for the judgment in advance. And after that, your accused right is always choose an advocate. Advocate is being given to him by the government department, that is a government lawyer. But if advocate feel that not comfortable, he can always have his individual lawyer also, and but he has to be keep quiet in the court and not to lot of create hassle. And if something is wrong, and then he can always request to the honorable court, but through his lawyer. So this is the all procedure of the court when the matter comes to the court after FIR. I hope you like the information, very productive. If it is so, you can always share with the person who matters regards.